Freepik versus Flora AI design tools. Choosing the right AI design tool can transform your creative process without wasting time or resources. Freepik offers vast design assets, while Flora focuses on AI-powered customization and workflow efficiency. Freepik and Flora are two popular AI design tools with distinct approaches. Freepik provides an extensive library of ready-made design assets, while Flora emphasizes AI-driven design automation and personalized creative workflows. The core difference lies in asset availability versus AI customization. Freepik is a comprehensive platform offering millions of graphic resources including vectors, photos, and PSD files. It works by providing designers instant access to a vast collection of pre-made assets that can be easily downloaded and integrated into projects. Its strengths lie in the sheer volume and variety of content, supporting designers who need quick, high-quality visuals without creating from scratch. Freepik's intuitive search and categorization streamline asset discovery, saving significant time. However, it relies mostly on static assets and offers limited AI-driven customization, requiring manual editing after download. This makes Freepik ideal for designers, marketers, and content creators who prioritize speed and breadth of resources over automated design generation. It suits those who want to enhance projects quickly with professional-grade visuals without complex AI tools. Flora is an AI-powered design tool focused on automating and personalizing the creative process. It uses advanced AI algorithms to generate customized design elements tailored to your brand and project needs. Flora works by analyzing input parameters like style, colors, and content type, then produces unique visuals and layouts automatically. Its strengths include workflow efficiency, real-time AI suggestions, and seamless integration with creative tools, enabling rapid iteration and refinement. Flora's AI-driven approach reduces manual design effort and helps maintain consistent branding across assets. On the downside, Flora may have a steeper learning curve and depends on user input quality to deliver optimal results. It's best suited for designers and teams looking for dynamic, AI-assisted creativity and who want to automate repetitive design tasks while maintaining originality and brand alignment. Freepik excels in providing a massive library of ready-to-use design assets, perfect for users needing quick, professional visuals with minimal setup. It's ideal for projects with tight deadlines or when a wide variety of styles is required. Flora, in contrast, offers AI-driven customization, generating unique designs tailored to specific brand guidelines and creative goals. This makes Flora better for users seeking automation and personalized design workflows. The trade-off is between Freepik's vast static resources and Flora's dynamic, AI-powered generation. Freepik suits those who prefer manual control with immediate asset access, while Flora fits users aiming to reduce repetitive tasks and create consistent brand-aligned designs through AI assistance. Choose Freepik if you need fast access to diverse, high-quality design assets without complex AI tools, perfect for quick manual project enhancements. Opt for Flora if you want AI-powered design automation that adapts to your brand and streamlines your creative workflow. It's the smart choice for teams focused on efficiency and personalized visuals. Both tools excel, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize asset variety or AI customization.